Hi everyone, and welcome to your final core workout of this Live Well Challenge of the new year. I hope your abdominal muscles feel so strong and that you're noticing that you're learning new things as you go, and take little bits and pieces of what you like and don't like and continue these throughout the year. All right, we're gonna start in high plank in 3, 2, 1. Strong high plank hold is where we start. We're gonna drop down to the right forearm and then the left, and then back to the right, back to the left, okay? Now we go left, right, left, right. And guess what? We alternate, right? Left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Continue, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Hold it. 4, 3, 2. Walk your hands way out in front of you for that super plank. Hold 4. Keep your butt flat. 3, 2. Now here's your try. Can you drop your forearms straight down? And if you can't, just do the best you can. Good. Now engage your stomach muscles. Hold tight. Just drop your feet to the left so they're staggered, one in front of the other. Now dip your hips. 8, 7, 6. Oh, we're starting off hard here. Come on. 4, 3, 2. One more rep. Come up through center. Drop your feet the other direction. Hold it right here. 4. Good. 3. Counting every other rep. 2. Good. One more. 1. Lift it up. Hold it. Come through center. Drop your knees. Whew. Now back to plank. Lift them. Good. Lower left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. One more time. We do right, left, right. Hold your plank. 4, 3, 2. Super plank. Walk it out. Good. Feel that work. Now look forward. Are you ready? Forearm drop in 3, 2, 1. Put them down. Woo. Hold that. 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop the knees. Straighten your arms. Good job. Tuck your toes. Lift your knees. All right, hold a bear crawl. Extend the opposite leg, touch your toe. Notice my knee is bent. Center, drop, center. Drop the hip, center. Good, drop the hip, center. 4, 3, make sure you're extending the leg. Hover, center. 2, hold it right here. 4, 3, 2, drop your knees. Turn your hands out a little, less pressure on the wrist. Tuck your toes. Ready, set, lift, tap. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Flip it over. Good work, guys. Now, on your back, 90 degrees right here, okay? Hands behind your head. Exhale, crunch up, reach forward, lower, down. So it's up, 2, drop, back. Up, reach, drop, back. Good. Up, reach, drop, down. Crunch, reach, lower, down. You're here for 4. It's a double crunch sit-up, okay? 3. Good. 2. Woo. 1 more right here. Perfect. Hands down, okay? Tap the heels. Lift it up. Tap the heels. This is where you can catch your breath. Lift it up. Good. Tap. Lift. Tap. Lift. Give me 4, bring it back. Give me 3, bring it back. 2, one more, 1. Good. Now, take your arms a little wider. Drop your knees to the right, hover, center. Drop your knees to the left, hover, center. Right, hover, center. Left, hover, center. Good. Right, hover, center. Left, hover. Good. Center. 4, center. 3, make sure you're hovering, center. 2, one more, hover. Bring it back to center. Push your feet into the air. Reach and crunch. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms up, toes up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Big rock, big flip, tabletop. All right, we're going through the alternating motion again. Pick up your knees. Go for it. Twist. 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 Good. You're almost done, guys. Come on. You've pushed through this whole series with me. You have a nice, strong yoga practice coming at you. The end of the week for right now. You've got this, okay? Give me 4, center. 3, center. 2, center. 1, hold it. 5, hold it. 4, hold it. 3, 2, drop your knees. Lift and lower your knees in 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Keep your knees up. This is your finisher. 5, 4. Engage your core. 3, 2. Come on. Drop down. Woo. Stretch it back. Way to go, guys. Awesome work. These videos are on here for you at all times, so feel free, go back, replay it, ask questions, continue to get stronger. Nice job, guys.